Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Rafael, and in today's video for Dia de Muertos, we'll learn how to make paper Cempasúchil flowers at home. Materials. For this craft we need wooden sticks. I will use 3, colored paper, yellow and orange for the petals and green for the stems, a ruler, thread or yarn. I will use a thick thread. Glue. I will use silicone to glue the paper to the wooden stick, and scissors. Steps for the petals. From the colored crepe paper, measure about 8 or 10 centimeters from the edge and cut out. Then insert the scissors on one side and cut. Repeat with the other side to get many squares. Take 6 or 7 layers of paper and place them on top of each other. Then fold the pieces together, forming a kind of accordion. With a thread, tie the paper strips right in the middle. With the scissors, make a straight cut from the edge to the center on both sides. Trim the edge of each side to create the petals. And finally, carefully separate the leaves from each other to create the flower. Steps for the stem. Wrap the wooden stick with a green paper and fix it with some glue. As I said, I will use silicone. Final step. Glue one side of the wooden stick to the flower. I will use silicone, but you can use any kind of glue. And that's it. This is how the paper Cempasúchil flower looks like. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.